we gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind, and you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright, cause she know.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a crochet hairstyle. Without further ado, let's get to it. The hair I'll be using today is Curlkalon, and I'll be using the style Carrie and Toni curl. 2 packs of Toni curl, which is the smallest curl, and that will be 10 inches, and 4 packs Carrie curl, 3 packs 10 inches, and 1 pack 20 inches. Each pack of hair has a total of 20 strands, and this is how the hair looks. I'll begin crocheting from the nape of my head, and I'll be starting with the Toni curl, which is the smallest curl. I'll be doing the normal crochet method where I push the latch hook through the hair, pull the braid through, and knot the hair once.
Mama always call me and that's alright, cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you acting like I didn't make you. Looking at me sideways, giving me all type of face. Gotta put you in your place, but don't pass your place. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build.
When you're crocheting, guys, it's best to space the hair as far as possible, because you don't want when you're finished you have too much hair or your hair is finished. You can always go back and fill in where you need to add more hair.
I ain't got time, I ain't got patience, but you gon' stop spreading those false news. Tell your little girl to calm down too, cause I want you, I want you. X for a reason, so last season you can have my second spot thing, don't know what you got.
As you can see here, guys, I am still using the Toni curl on the first braid and also the same one I used at the back.
Such a huge ego.
Now I'm on to the Carrie curl.
And I can match your pettiness too. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop.
Now I'm on to the 20 inches Carrie curl.
The bear, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bear, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly.
Everything to me, words and memories always dead. They don't capture what you mean. You gave me what I am chasing. All my pain wants us to be together. All my love tells you rest forever. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice stand in line with all the angels too.
Now we're going to separate the curls.
Even now you're leaving me. Dreams and memories are fading, but I know you walk with me. I hold to.
This is how the hair looks after I finish separating the curls. I am clipping the middle part of the hair so I can start trimming the hair. I'm cutting the hair in a downwards motion and I'm taking my time because I don't want to mess the hair up.
I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with all the angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. You're dancing, you're laughing, surrounded by angels, other angels tonight. No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels around me tonight. Surrounded by angels tonight. No more crying, no more dying, flying around you, dancing, yeah, only laughing, surrounded by angels tonight. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line with all the angels tonight.
Always right. Your mama always called me in, that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one.
Here you have the final look. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this hairstyle. And if you like this video, go ahead and leave your girl a thumbs up. The link to this crochet hair is in the description down below. I do appreciate you all for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Before I start to speak.